And there's a seal that goes on there to keep the grease in. And the seal was totally tacoed. Alright, that's it. So this thing was really chewed up. I made a mandrel out of steel, and I ground the mandrel on the grinder. I made a mandrel right on the machine. It's 1 3/8. I made it like 5 thou oversize. And it's, man, it was a slip fit, you know, just 0 to 0 fit. And actually I tightened the set screw. Probably didn't have to, just lightly tightened the set screw. And then the hole is the end of the keyway broach. So this turned out really well. There's just a little line left from where the damage was, but this whole thing was knackered from the oil seal. Just, I don't know what happened. It was, there's steel on there, so it was rubbing. Probably the seal, it was so far off, the actual metal housing of the seal was rubbing. But this thing was so far, you know, knackered up. And that, I don't want to go anymore. This measures 1.872, I believe. 1.875 is the nominal. So if it's 3 thousandths under for an oil seal, for a lip seal, that's going to be fine. But this thing was just chowder to beat the beast, you know. And I couldn't hit too much to stone it by hand. You'd be there for 6 hours with an Arkansas stone, or an India stone rather. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys, you know, how this goes with the Brown & Sharp 13. I had a piece that was 5 thou oversized for the mandrel, and I drilled it for centers in the Hendy, or the Pratt & Whitney. Zeroed it up, put centers in it, and then after I had centers, then I could actually run it over here. So that's going to go on the motor, and I tested that out. That tests fine. That tests good. So, well, okay, and that's got a fan associated with it. So it's plugged in, it's wired up. Alright, let me start cranking hertz here. There's 20. I gotta adjust the carrier frequency because it's quite loud. Yeah, the carrier's quite loud. I don't know how that comes through on video. But had it running for a while last night. It did really well. This is supposed to have bad bearings, but I don't think it does. It's got a little imbalance. I think that's maybe there's the fan's got some stuff in it causing the out of balance. There's half speed. $40. 50 sounds a lot quieter. '60's okay. Let me get you over here. You can see it's just blowing from the fan. But I think it's okay. So anyways, enough of that noise. Just free run stop. I don't think there's anything wrong with them bearings. I guess throw it back up on top of that. And this thing, which is 480 only, as cool as it is, you know, I don't know if I got a use for it, because I don't have 480. So if anybody needs, it's 7 horse. If anybody needs it, you know, contact me. All right. Having fun in Doozer shop. Till next time.